Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMart leads and inquiries for cookies business. So I am an owner of a cookies business and I am receiving many leads and inquiries on my IndiaMart. Now whenever I receive a new lead or the inquiry, I automatically want to send WhatsApp message to that lead or the inquiry. Now doing this manually is a very time consuming task, so I am completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMart and WhatsApp Cloud API. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I will receive new lead or inquiry in my IndiaMart, a WhatsApp message will be automatically sent to that lead or the inquiry. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMart inquiries for cookies business. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMart and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMart leads and inquiries for cookies business, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this IndiaMart automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMart leads and inquiries, which means whenever there will be a new lead or the new inquiry, a WhatsApp message will be automatically sent to that lead, which means whenever there will be a new lead or the new inquiry in IndiaMart, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when I receive a new lead or the new inquiry in IndiaMart and then action says do this, then send WhatsApp message to that inquiry. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMart, and then in my trigger event I have to take this new leads. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMart, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMart with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my IndiaMart account. So this is my IndiaMart account, and this is the seller's dashboard of IndiaMart. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, here I have to click on this lead manager, and then I have to click on this three dots, from where I have to click on this import export leads, and then click on this push API. Now under this push API integration page, I have to select my source, and in this drop down I can choose any of the source. I want to select this as other, and then I have to enter my CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So my CRM platform name is Pabbly Connect, and then I have to enter my webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect. So I am going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here, and then I have to click on this save details. Now I need to select the reason that why I want to connect my Pabbly Connect with IndiaMart. So here in this drop down I can find all the reasons. You can select according to your choice and preference. Here I want to select this as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage the performance comments, and then I have to click on this click to generate OTP. Now I have to enter the OTP that I have received on my number, and now after adding that OTP I have to click on this submit. Here I have successfully added my webhook URL which I was provided in this workflow here in my IndiaMart. And now moving back to Pabbly Connect, I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to open my account in IndiaMart, and I am going to submit a query from that account that I have created in IndiaMart to my own business. Now if Pabbly Connect captures that inquiry that I am going to send, this means the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMart, that is successful. So here I am going to open my profile in incognito mode. Here I have opened my profile. My name is this, phone number is this, email address is latest@pabblytudes.com, address is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, company name is Latest Company, and here I am going to search for my business. And then after searching for my business, I simply have to click on this contact supplier, and then I have to enter my query in this box. So let's say my query is, hello, I want to bulk purchase cookies. Could you provide details? Waiting for your reply. Thanks. So here I have added, hello, I want to bulk purchase cookies. Could you provide details? Waiting for your reply. Thanks. And then I have to click on this next, and as this is not a required field, I am going to click on this submit. Here I have successfully submitted my query from this profile to my own business, and Pabbly Connect should capture that. So let's open my Pabbly Connect workflow. And here if I scroll down, I can see that I have received the response. The status is success. I have received the unique query ID, and this query ID will be unique for every query that I will receive. I have received the response subject and then the sender state, which is Madhya Pradesh. The name was this. I have received the phone number and the email address as latest@pabblytudes.com. The company was Latest Company and the address was Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I have received the same exact query that I have just sent to my business. Hello, I want to bulk purchase cookies. Could you provide details? Waiting for your reply. Thanks. And here I have received the product name as the Pabbly Connect free demo available. Here, as soon as I have sent the query to my business, I have received that response in this workflow. This means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMart, that is successful. And whenever a new lead or the new inquiry will be received, I will start seeing that response over here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I receive new lead or the new inquiry, I want to send WhatsApp message. So here in my action application, I am going to take WhatsApp Cloud API. And then in my action event, I have to take the send template message and then click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter all these details. So the first one is token ID, then the phone number ID, then the WhatsApp business account ID. And to get this, we have to open Meta for developers. So this is the app dashboard of Meta for developers, and you can visit this by typing developers.facebook.com. And when this page appeared, we have to click on this My Apps on the right hand side corner, and then I have to select my app, and on the left hand side I can see this WhatsApp. So I'll open this and then I have to go to this API setup. Now when this page has appeared, I am provided with the access token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID, which I need to copy and paste that in my Pabbly Connect so as to make this connection. So I am going to copy all these details, and after adding all these details I have to click on this save. So WhatsApp Cloud API is connected with Pabbly Connect, and I have to enter all these details. So the first one is that I have to enter the template name. So to get this, let's open our API setup page again. So this was the page, and over here I can see this send message with the API, and to create your own message template, click here. So I'm going to click on this hyperlink given over here. And here you can see all the templates that have been created. I am going to use this cookies business, and if you want to create a new template, you simply have to click on this create template option, from where you have to set up your template. Then click on this next, and then you simply have to name the template and enter the message in a way that you want to send, and enter the custom variable, and then simply click on this submit for review. Now here I have already created this template by the name Cookies Business. So I'm going to open this, and this is the message. Hello demo. So this is the custom variable which will keep changing whenever I will receive a new lead or the new inquiry with the name of that lead. So hello demo, thank you for your inquiry about our delicious cookies. We are thrilled to assist you. We offer a variety of freshly baked cookies. If you are interested in placing an order or need more details, feel free to reply here. Looking forward to serving you. Thanks, best regards. So this is the template that I'll be using, and I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down select my template name as Cookies Business, and here language code has automatically been detected, and I have also selected the template ID automatically. Now I have to enter the rest of the details. So here I have to enter the recipient mobile number, and I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received my response from IndiaMart, and when I click on any of these fields, I can see this IndiaMart, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I have received from there. Now I have to enter the phone number. So here in my response, I have received the phone number as this, so I will enter this phone number. Now I have to enter the body field. Now as we know that in our template we have put just one custom variable, which is the name of the lead. So I am going to click on this, and then I have to enter the name of the lead, which was this one. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter in detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I have to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see that I have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the message there or not. And we can see that demo that we have put as custom variable has been replaced with the name of the lead, and the rest of the message is same. Thank you for your inquiry about our delicious cookies. We are thrilled to assist you. So this is the same message. Now to check this automation workflow one last time, I am going to open my profile in incognito mode again and send a dummy query, and if I receive the message here again, this will mean that this automation workflow is working fine. So here I have opened my profile, and I am going to send a query. Let's say I am going to send testing this time, and then click on this submit. Here I have submitted my query, and I should receive a WhatsApp message. So let's open my WhatsApp. And here I can see that I have again received this message. I have received this message on the same number because I am sending the query from that same profile. And here the name has not changed, and the rest of the details are also same. So now to summarize, we took IndiaMart as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We submitted a query and received the response here in this workflow. After that, we moved to the next step where we want to send a message to that lead. So we took WhatsApp Cloud API as our action application. We entered the template name, language code, and then selected the template ID. Entered all the other details with the help of a method called mapping. Simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as these messages being sent to my WhatsApp number automatically and instantly. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and here we have successfully created automation between IndiaMart and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.